In this video and in the following ones, I will show you optional steps for product loading using the example of the PIT base unit. This video contains more theoretical input. Product options and dynamic properties for the components are created in the associated profile group within the DigiPara Liftdesigner Data Manager. The database table of the profile group of each component can be accessed via the ping column with the ending PG_GRP. Every profile group has its own designation number. But what exactly is a profile group? In a profile group, additional metadata for user-defined dimensions and settings are stored. The user-defined profile group objects of an existing component, such as profiles, points, or additional components, can be summarized within one profile group. A profile group can also be copied together with all its parameters, values, and additional options. The basic content of a profile group for profiles covers everything that defines the geometry of a component. This includes the profile types themselves, size parameters, position parameters, and additional options that control how the component is represented in drawings. For points, the basic content is slightly different. Points can describe profile outlines, define the exact position of related components, or provide additional dimensions. They also contain position parameters and assignment group point codes. When it comes to global subgrouping, the basic content brings profiles and points together. These subgroups can be used to create product options, provide descriptions, or add further options for how elements are represented in drawings. Dynamic properties are another essential part of a profile group. They define which properties are displayed in the property grid of DigiPara Liftdesigner, assign parameters, add component options for representation, and manage settings in existing projects. And finally, profile groups can also include additional components that extend the geometry in DigiPara Liftdesigner. This can be, for example, 3D CAD models that enrich the design with more detailed representations. In the next video, I will guide you through an example of dynamic properties.